To use private browsing on iPhone, go to Safari, look for these three dots on the bottom, and choose New Private Tab. This opens a private tab, and you're now in the private browsing mode. Private browsing protects your web browsing in many ways, and things like browsing history or cookies aren't saved. It's pretty good at keeping your browsing private, but keep in mind there are some things that it will not hide. It does a great job keeping things private on your device, but your internet service provider, for example, can still monitor your traffic, and the websites you visit will see your IP address and location. You're also not automatically protected from phishing or unsafe downloads, and if your device is managed by your school or workplace, their internal tracking tools can still see your web traffic and the sites you visit. Once you're done browsing and ready to close everything, tap those three dots again and choose All Tabs. Here you can tap the little X to close your tabs, or swiping your tabs to the left will also close them. Then return to your normal browser tabs here. Safari will sort of group your standard tabs and private tabs, and you'll switch between them from here. If you want, you can leave your private tabs open, and to access them again, you'll need to authenticate with a password or Face ID. And that's private browsing on the iPhone. Click the like button if this helped, and go take a look at my iOS playlist for more easy guides like this.